Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss. The personality traits of individuals born in June based on scientific research and data science. So, get ready to dive into the captivating world of June-born personalities. Before we jump in, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our thought-provoking content. Now let's get started. Social butterflies. Individuals born in June tend to exhibit remarkable social skills. They have an innate ability to connect with others, making them charismatic and approachable. Natural curiosity. June-born individuals possess an insatiable thirst for knowledge. They have a natural curiosity that drives them to explore a wide range of topics, making them lifelong learners. Adaptive nature. Flexibility is a key trait seen in people born in June. They are known for their ability to adapt to various situations, making them great problem solvers and decision makers. Creativity unleashed. June-born individuals often display a remarkable sense of creativity. They have vivid imaginations and are inclined towards artistic pursuits, such as music, writing, or painting. Empathy and compassion. People born in June often have a deep sense of empathy and compassion towards others. They possess a strong emotional intelligence, allowing them to understand and connect with people on a profound level. Natural leaders. June-born individuals tend to possess leadership qualities. They have a natural ability to guide and inspire others, making them excellent team players and effective leaders. Intellectual stimulation. Intellectual stimulation is something June-born individuals actively seek. They thrive in environments that challenge their minds and stimulate their intellect, enabling them to constantly grow and evolve. From their social prowess to their creative minds and empathetic nature, June-born individuals play an important role in shaping our society and fostering meaningful connections. Let us know in the comments if you resonate with any of these traits, or if you have any interesting experiences with June-born individuals in your life. And as always, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more captivating content. Thanks for watching.